What's going on, all you Muln fans out there? Hope you guys have enjoyed your weekend, spending time with family and celebrating Mother's Day. Back to another interesting week in the market, especially for Muln Automotive. We still have a couple days remaining for Muln to be able to trade above $1 per share to meet compliance. This morning, Muln released two updates for the company. One was in regards to EMM technology with Lawrence Harge, and the other was just a business update. And keep in mind, Muln did do another business update back on May 3rd, and I'm pretty sure that these updates this morning was an attempt to get some momentum in the stock price, because David Mystery also knows that this is the week that Muln needs to stay above $1 for compliance. And with that being said as well, if you look at these bullet points in this picture that I have up on the screen, you see the last word on each bullet. It pretty much says the same thing. So it's not really saying anything new. It's pretty much repetitive. One thing a lot of investors are concerned with is knowing when production will start. And it seems like the Class 3 vehicles for Muln Automotive, the trucks, are more near term as far as production than the other vehicles, because in this bullet point on the first update, which was on May 3rd, says in July 2023 the production line for Class 3 will become operational, with Class 3 trucks rolling off the line with anticipated deliveries and revenue in August 2023. And on this morning's business update, it says in July 2023, the production line for Class 3 is planned to become operational with anticipated deliveries and revenue from Class 3 truck in August and September 2023. So it went from will become operational to plan to become operational. So I don't know if that's a red flag or not. You keep that in your own thoughts, do your own due diligence. So these updates are not really doing much to the stock price right now, but it is, in my opinion, helping it maintain this level. And shorts have been doubling down and tripling down on Muln stock because they want to see it under $1 before compliance. And yes, there's other numbers included in these business updates, to include the $15 million agreement with MGT Leasing and the other $200 or so million agreement with Randy Marion between Class 3 trucks and Class 1 vans. But we'll have to see how those numbers weigh out when it comes to financial reporting on their next earnings report, to see if there's revenue or more liabilities and debt. So I think investors, in regards of production for Muln Automotive, want to see a solid date and follow through of that date, or in general, just a PR that says production has started. So that's just my own thoughts and opinions, and not financial advice, of course. But on another note, Muln was included in 10 short squeeze stocks to watch. The article I'm reading is from Benzinga, and the passage about Muln says the automotive company moves up 1,769 positions to rank 8th on the leaderboard. Data shows 305.3% of the float short and a cost to borrow of 137.5%, in which you probably already know is higher than that. But the fact that Muln moved up 1,700 positions to be currently at the 8th level in ranking for short squeeze stocks says a lot. And looking at the off-exchange data, the off-exchange volume has gone down a lot. Usually around this time, Muln is at 70% or more total volume going off-exchange. Today, it's only at 59% at the time of this recording, which is very interesting. And the borrow fee is sitting at 185% with 4,000 available short shares. I got to go run and take care of something. I'll try to give you guys an end of day update a little later. I hope y'all find any of this information valuable. Stay charged up out there and don't feed the fear. I'll catch y'all next one. Gone.
Go. Blessed in abundance. Look who raised from the dungeon. Still come through in the clutch. I'm that dime in a dozen. Pulling up clean to the function. Niggas mislead with assumptions.